Still relying on skilled welders for forklift masts? Here's the answer from the future factory. This is our fully automatic solution, featuring a 3-axis, dual-station design. Set up on one side, welding on the other, operating simultaneously for doubled efficiency. A handling robot positions parts precisely, working with a tack welding robot for tack welding. Three-axis dual-station positioner continuous rotation. Efficient, flexible, and intelligent, delivering faster cycle times and higher productivity. Finished part handling, laser marking. Designed for scalability, ready for future line automation and expansion. Let us customize your welding automation journey.